It's not working, or you're not understanding this template, Hussein?
It's working.
It's not working?
Working, sir.
It's working, but you are not understanding that what is in this template. Okay? So in this template, just a difference is that if that is a green candle and these are the green boxes, it shows that this is the pure buyer's volume. This is a pure seller's entry. This is a pure buyer's volume. And this is a seller's entry. This is the buyer's entry. This is the seller's entry. This template is showing you the seller's and buyer's entry in the candle. So that is a candle. Okay. That is a candle. And in this candle, this is a bias started from here, is showing the green box, red, 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 all the seller's entry. So each and every box, the green box is a buyer's volume and the red box is a seller's volume. Now understand, Hussein? Okay, so your voice is not clear, Hussein, today. Okay, any other member who is saying that there's a problem with the Delta River? Who is there? Ryan, you just messaged me. Ryan, I think. Yes, Ryan. Did he send the recording already? No. What was the message, Ryan, from you? Yes, this is. Sir, please discuss how to read the diamond template. Okay, that is the same question.
Sir, when I'm using the diamond template, there's no digits in the boxes.
There is no?
There's no digits in the boxes.
Okay, gaps not in the boxes. Okay.
Yeah, I can see the colors, but the digits, it's not coming.
Okay.
Where do I set that display?
Send me your screenshot.
Okay.
Your Delta
Yeah.
River screenshot sent to me that I can understand what's the problem.
Okay.
Any other member who have problem with the Delta River? If the data is not coming very good or any problem. Okay, no. Manohar, everything is fine?
Yes, sir. I think I have some doubt about the Delta River. When the volume in the middle of the candle.
Yes.
When the volume in the middle of the candle, should we respect the reverse or continue?
Okay. So you have a problem with the highest volume in the middle of the candle, and
Yes.
and you are confused that can I place a reversal trade or continuation trade? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 I will clear it. Any other member who have a problem with any query in the candles, Delta River candles? Okay. So Noor, look at here. There's message. Okay, wait a minute. This message please send to me on the Telegram. Okay, okay, now I'll download it. I'll download it. Okay. Okay, no need now. Oh, what's it?
Sir, this needs to be zoomed out.
Yes, please zoom out and it will be clear.
Also need to fix a X5, 0.5.
Okay, 0.5 here.
Yeah, 0.5, yes.
Rayan, Rayan, just to set it to 0.5 and let me know. 0.5.
Okay, yes. There is no 0.5. Actually, there is zero point 0.4 and 0.6.
No, there is not
Uh,
written. It's just to roll your mouse button. Roll your mouse button.
okay. Yeah, okay. Now, yeah, at zero point 0.6, I'm able to see the
Okay.
digits.
Okay, 0.6. It can be roll less or roll up. You can just 0.6 and put the mouse button.
Yeah.
Now it's looking screen.
Yes, sir. I'm able to see now.
Okay. Okay. So if your monitor is big monitor, then it can show you, but the small screen it cannot show you the 0.1 multiplier. Okay. Okay, so today I taken some trades on the Delta River also because sometime yesterday when we took the trades, but IQ option closed the trading yesterday, but now I already trade 15 to 20 minutes before the meeting. Just I want to show you and give you the understanding that how I took the trades and why I took the trades. So on this candle, when I took a trade, look at here I placed the trade. So when I see that the volume is green in the bottom of the candle. So when the volume is green in the red candle, bottom of the candle, it's a continuation signal. Note down. Here volume increases in the stop bar. We can say that is a stop bar. But just to understand, this is a bias volume. Bias trying to enter in the candle, but the sellers goes down, again rejected, but it's a seller's power here. Buyers entered in this volume, but they failed. Okay, so this is the continuation signal in the Delta River. When you see the red candle, the green volume is higher in the closing price of the candle, the next candlestick will goes down. So that is the reason of this trade. And now, after when I took a trade, just to okay, here, look at. After closing of this candle, I took a trade. So it's very clear. Which is this candle, Hussein? Which is this candle? Okay, Hussein is not available, I think. Adil, which is this candle?
It's a push bar.
It's a push bar candle. And the candle, now when it closes, look at where it's closing, why I place a trade. Look at. Why I place a trade here? Because there is the volume also. The candle can be rejected. Also, it's rejected when the higher volume is touching the level and rejected. And why I placed a trade here? A call option, because this is a push candle and all the volume is below on the point of the opening price. It's a higher volume. There is no higher volume in the top, that it's not suggesting me that you can place a trade put option. And also in IQ option, when I look in, it's also a gap. Okay, in the candle, maybe there is a resistance, they broke the resistance or they skip the resistance, and this is what suggesting me it's pushing in direction. Also, this is also a signal, it's pushing, and this signal, the bottom is strong, so we can place a trade in a direction of the call. I also lose some trades in this session. I think I took 13 trades, 11 trades, 2 to 3 trades I lost in this. So now look how the volume is changing in the candle when it's closing, near to the closing, and how volume is changing. And when I'm taking the another trade, I'm going to tell you why I take a trade. Your reason must be right. So this is a arrow showing slightly moving down. Slowly it's moving down. The arrow when it's up here, okay. Here I'm thinking that when I place this trade, I thought that that is a huge volume in this area. Okay, that is a huge volume. Also, there is a volume in this candle. And I am looking that each and every time the candle is making a higher low, I would say lower high, and again candle make a lower high. When the sellers enter, I understand that 3 times they make a lower high. And also there is a strategy which we are using in the trend line. So I understand that I can place a put option here because this is a break bar and 50% chances market can goes up and 50% chances market can goes down. So context of the chart is saying that you can place a put option here. So now the volume is increasing in the bottom of the candle. Let's see the next trade. I break my rule here, a trend line strategy, which is showing me that after this move, you can place a put option here, but I place a call option, I think I place a call option. No, put option. Okay, I was right here. But the candle, I think, moves up. Okay, here the candle is suggesting in the delta river, you can place a call option. But and on the trend line strategy, that's why I placed a put option. Maybe that was my point. But I lose this trade, I think, yes. Very on the small ratio, I lose the trade. Here I lose the trade. The candle is like a doji candle because of the entry point. And then next trade, okay, here, look at. Why I place a call option? What it's suggesting that it's pushing in direction. The candle is suggesting pushing in direction, but the candle is exhausted and candle broke the level, which was that highest volume. and also that was the highest volume. On this same highest volume, there is a volume. Same, look at the bias entered. On the same area, there is a highest volume. Also, this highest volume is broken. And on this candle, when there is a highest volume here, not a highest, but the more volume is here, this area is a strong area, I can say. That's why I place a call option after this candle, because this candle is exhausted. But the signal delta is what suggesting you can place a put option. But these all scenario is changing my decision. But at the end, it's increasing here. Stop. I forget it. Sometime when we are predicting, sometime we can lose, but don't confuse on the loss trades. We are human, we can make the mistakes. I don't know, this is a winning trade or losing trades. Because there are 3 trades I lose in this session. Oh yes, that's what losing trade. So signal was
Sir,
right, yes.
excuse me, signal was right?
Yes, signal was right. Signal was stop bar. Also, it's breaking the level. Also, it's breaking the level. The candle is exhausted, but signal was right. And all the time, what it show us a doji candle. Okay, and it most of the time it's showing us that you are in the winning side. But at the end, it show us that you are losing the trades, because sometimes it's a this type of problem we are facing in the market also. Yes, yes, Noor. The 1 minute trading is very, very fast in the Delta River. I think that I can turn into 5 minutes, then I can see the results. Maybe there will be chances to earn more money. But 1 minute is so much fast in the Delta River.
Sir, can you explain the last trade? I mean, why did we lose that trade?
Yes. Once it's closed, then we will move to. Here I place a trade on this highest volume that I think that the candle can be rejected because of this highest volume. There is a seller's highest volume, and I place a trade that maybe the seller's bias can be rejected from here. I don't know it's a winning or losing trade. Yes, it's a winning trade. Okay, last trade. This one. This one, Adil.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Brother,
sir.
look at why I place a call option. Now you just to understand here. Is it the exhaustion candle?
Yes, exhaustion.
And it's broken the level also. It's broken the 50% level of the round number. And here it's broken the highest volume. Also that is a level. And also it's a stop bar
Yes.
candle.
Yes.
Also it's suggesting that this candle broke
Yes.
the level. So after breaking the level, we are waiting for the retracement. So retracement, most of the time it's going up. Okay, that's why I place a call option. And all the time it's showing me that you are in a profit.
Yes.
But at the end, the candle rejected because of the huge pressure of the sellers. Maybe there is a news. Maybe there was a news time. Because 6:30 p.m. always the news is
Okay.
coming. So maybe there is a pressure. So all the time it's showing that yes, we
So
are going up.
we analyzed it properly.
We analyzed properly, but the candle gave us a loss, so that's not problem because our decision was right. Bias entered. You look at that all the last 12 seconds, last 10 seconds showing that you are in the winning side, but at the end 5 seconds, last 5 seconds it's showing that you are losing the trade.
Yes.
So and on the doji candle, it's a doji, okay? It's a doji candle.
Yeah.
Decision was right, but candle body was not as, because we cannot expect that how much the body we can find on the current candle. We can just understand the direction of the candle, but there is a sequence of the candles. In the sequence of the candles, 80% we can correctly identify the next candle will be big one or very small one. But that trade already I shown you. It's a winning trade. This trade I placed because of the highest volume here. That is the highest volume in this candle. And you know that where the volume is very high, so the candle can be rejected. So candle is rejected.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So the next trade, okay, here. Okay, just to play a little bit.
Sir, like this signal I confused with.
Yes, sometimes, yes. Also, it's a very risky signal. I take all the signals on all the candles because here the traders are taking all the signals. But once it close the result, then I will teach you that why I took this trade and what's the result of this trade. I think it's a loss trade. There's a so much big rejection, so much big rejection. It's showing the so much volatility or uncertainty in the price. So I think it's a winning trade. Okay, yes. Why I placed this trade? Just to understand here. There was a winning trade, okay? Winning trade or losing trade? It's a winning trade, I think. Yes. Wait. It's a winning. That is running trade. Yes, it's winning. The candle closed very close to the opening price. Yes, it's a winning trade. Why I placed this trade? Now I'm going to tell you. So in this total candle, the point of control is here. It means sellers must come to this level, and then the buyers can start from here. Why? I think members are knowing that that is a break bar concept like this one. When the volume is high at this point of the candle, so that is a gap in the closing price to the point of control, so the buyers can reach to this point. Adil, do you remember this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I remember.
Yes.
So that is the same thing. Okay, that is the same thing. But unfortunately, this candle is very weak. Very small ratio of the body you are looking here, and uncertainty in the market. So this trade, I think, losing trade. Yes. I don't know. Just it close, then we can. The entry point is very late, and the same situation is there. The situation is same. Look in here. The situation is same. On the previous candle and this candle situation is same. The candle is moving down. Okay, that was winning trade. Okay. So here, which trade I placed? Call option or put option? As a call option because of the control is what's saying. So now I just find out one thing here. That is, this is a stopping bar candle. Everyone know that that candle is a stopping bar. Okay, but and also it's suggesting that breakout, and there is a wick. So when you see the wick in the candle and the stop bar, and the trend is so much in a power in a downtrend, so we cannot take risk on the call option. So this thing I understand in the trading. So when the trend is downtrend and when we cannot trust on the buyers, then they will enter in the market. So they rejected, very rejected, and close up. But I don't know it's a winning trade or not winning trade. It's not a winning trade, I think. The candle is rejected so much high. It's rejected, but close again near. Very fast momentum. Also, this trade is, I think, losing trade. The news time is very bad time for the trading. Okay, it's a winning, I think, yes.
So, sir, why you took this trade for put option?
Okay, I'm going to tell you.
The control point.
The control point is on the stop and I place the put option, okay?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Just it close and then I'm going to tell you. Why is it disturbed of this video? Okay, so here I'm going to stop the video. Okay, here. So why I place this trade? The volume point of control is here. Okay. Here what is volume? Below 78. Above 110. Little bit above 88. So this volume is what suggesting the pushing in direction. Also, this is a seller's volume. And they pushed market down. It means buyers are here. Buyers are here. They push down the buyers. So buyers will start from this area. They will not start from here because these buyers are pushed down with this candle. Now the buyers are here and they will enter from here. Look at on the next candle, they enter here. And I placed a call option also here. Look at on the next trade, I placed a call option because these buyers from here to here, they push down till this area. And on this area, I press call options. Look at this.
So this concept you explained, sir.
This concept, I repeat again.
Yesterday class you explained this concept.
Okay, why it's not moving up? Okay, now it's moving up. So I placed two trades more here because I was confirmed that the buyers will enter in the market. Because this area is which area where the buyers will enter from this area. Again, because they was pushed down here, even the candle will be red, but the buyers will be enter from this area. Maybe the candle will close above, so I place the two option here to save this trade. But if you are not confident in the trading, so you cannot place a two more option on the same candle. So how many trades was losing trade in this? One or two trade? I think one trade or two trade.
I think two, sir.
Two
till
trades,
now.
yes.
Mm.
So Why it's not moving up again? Let's see. Okay, it's running, I think, yes. Yes. So it's a winning trade, okay? Video is not playing again here. Okay, so that was a winning trade at the end, $27. So that is about this trading. That is okay. Okay, yeah. So what you understand in this trading? Any confusion again there? Adil, clear everything?
Sir, just this the pin bar, the bearish pin bar.
Hmm.
So it's a stop volume, and the negative delta is at a perfect spot. But
Yeah,
no, the next one.
yeah,
Yes, this one. Yes.
yes, yes.
So already we can see that previously there is a buyer's candle, like weak buyers, but there was a buyer. If I were to do it as a like a price action pattern, I would also take a put trade here. But if I'm doing it from Delta Revis point of view, I will not take a put trade here. So
Yes.
just a little confused here because
So,
previously we did not consider the upper volumes.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So that was just an idea about the upper volume. All the candles we are talking at the point of control. Okay.
Yeah.
So when the level is broken, that is a concept that the sellers or buyers will be shifted. Is it that concept is clear? When the level is broken, the buyers and sellers will be shifted to the another area. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, that's correct.
And if that is a level, so this arrow is what suggesting you the candle broke the level. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct.
So it means when the level is breakout, so these buyers will be shifted to another point. They will not enter from here. So that is the concept
Okay.
just. When the level is broken, the buyers will be shifted to another sitting area. And the hammer is what suggesting you, the red hammer. The concept of the red hammer is what suggesting you. Where are the buyers?
Continuation
Buyers are where? If
at the
there is
bottom.
if there is no resistance or support here, okay, so there is no support
Yeah.
on the closing price, so buyers are here
Yeah.
now, okay,
Yeah.
so we
Yeah.
cannot enter a call option. Am I right?
Yes, we cannot enter call
We will
option.
wait
Yes.
when the buyers will reach to this area, then we can place the call option. Otherwise we cannot place the call option if there is no support. If there is a support, then we know that, okay, there is a first support, there is a second support. We can place a trade.
Mm.
But there is no support. First support is not there. Only that is the first support. So we will wait for when the sellers will come down. So here when I place a trade, that was also that concept. That they move down and we are always going to the favor of the trend. Okay? Favor of the trend.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
trend was down, but why I place a call option with a confidence, three options here? Do you understand why?
Because the previous candle did not broke the lower low of the pin bar.
Yes. Okay. So here I'm just to tell you. The buyers entered here in this candle.
Yes.
Buyers entered in this candle.
Yes.
Buyer entered in this candle.
Yes.
Buyer entered in this candle.
Yes.
Buyer enter in this candle.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times they enter in the candle. How much time?
5.
5 times they are trying on each and every candle. And in the impulsive wave, if we are say that is a okay, that is a very little correction in the market. So impulsive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minimum 5, maximum 8 to 9 candles. We are looking at the impulsive wave, but this trend was